Alright, hey guys! So, I am back for the 15,000th time. Today is just going to be like a little get ready with me, just everyday makeup, kind of like simple life update video. So if you guys want to stay tuned, definitely keep on watching because we are going to just do something really pretty and like simple for today. I'm not doing much, but I just felt like sitting down and updating you guys on my life because I've been gone for 3 months. So yeah, so here we go. So I have been gone for the last 3 months on literally every social media platform. I have not been, just haven't been here. I pretty much just decided to focus on life. Mark and I, we bought a house together, so that's super fun. That's also really time consuming. I don't think anyone realizes how much work a house is until they actually like have to start working on it. So we've just been in full-blown like renovation mode. We are in the last stages of it, so which is super exciting. I mean, we bought a house a month ago, so yeah, that's so exciting. It's really exciting. You guys are then gonna see a brand new backdrop for me, a brand new room, which is so exciting. I pretty much have a beauty room in the house, so I'm gonna have like just a place to create and like work in, and it's just gonna be really awesome. I'm really excited. And yeah, so Mark and I bought this house. Really super exciting, but it's also a lot of work. What's really exciting is that, okay, so I think this is right. I need to get back on the makeup because otherwise we're just gonna ramble. We're gonna ramble. So y'all, I'm literally to the last bit of this bottle. Not even the last bit, but the pump stopped working. I don't know what happened, but yeah. But so I'm literally just taking it from the dropper and putting it on my brush because we don't waste things here. But yeah, so basically, Mark and I have our own rooms separately. So we, it's so funny. I thought I could multitask and I really can't, y'all. But Mark has an office downstairs that's gonna just be basically for his video gaming and like just being on the computer if he has to work from home and da-da-da. So, which is really exciting. So it's off the kitchen, but it also makes it to where I don't have to worry about listening to him screaming on Xbox, thank God, while I'm filming, and like I can be in my own, like, just be in my own bubble in my beauty room, which is great. Yeah, it's just gonna be amazing. So I'm super excited. So there's that. Another thing that I've just been going through. Just been working not a lot lately, mainly because of my health. I don't know, I haven't really touched upon it on social media, like on Instagram or anything, dealing with. So I felt like why not share it in this video. I've been having incredibly terrible ovarian pain. And I went in for my like yearly checkup 2 months ago, and I couldn't even do it. Like, she couldn't do the exam on me because I was in so much pain. So she referred me to a pelvic floor specialist or a pelvic floor physical therapist, and literally, guys, it has changed my life. I've only been going for like a month now, but it is definitely working. It is a slow process, just like with anything muscle related or anything. But yeah, so my God, my hair needs to get it in check. But pretty much my weight has only been, so normally when you stand, it all goes to your hips, and your hips are supporting your body. Mine are not. Yeah, so mine are not. all my weight is being put onto my inner thighs. So my inner thighs are so tense that it is literally pushing all of the tension up into my pelvic floor. You'd be amazed how many muscles are actually attached or go through your area. I don't want to get too graphic just because like I don't want to be that TMI, but like obviously like this is something that should be like women should know about. I know pelvic floor therapy is, I never heard of it before this. It's where my inner thighs are loosening, so they're not as tense. They are still pretty tense, but we're doing like different exercises and making sure I'm just hypersensitive. Yeah, so basically we're talking more and more, and as a teenager, I used to hold my knees together. Yeah, so I used to hold my knees together, and so they're kind of like pointed towards each other now. And that was because I had knee problems in high school. So I actually went to UNC Chapel Hill just to figure out like what was going on, because my parents didn't know. I pretty much collapsed one day. I couldn't hold myself up, and I even asked my physical therapist, and she goes, you know, yes, that definitely could be contributing, because I went to some therapy after that, and I took the weight off my knees, but then it went straight into my thighs all these years. So that being said, it's great, right? I'm a big ball of tension. I have so much tension in my body, and it takes a lot for me to relax. I've noticed that and they have me doing these just exercises to focus on my hips and really work and make sure that that muscle is being worked. I just did not have any physical activity. That's why physical activity is so important. Whether it be swimming, which is low impact, or running, or anything, you have to build the muscle in your body. Otherwise, your bones are literally grinding. And I'm also hyper flexible. So that being said, my bones like to roll. I don't have the best luck when it comes to if I move a certain way, my hips roll. When I walk, they click. That's the issue. And that's what causes the pain. And because I'm in pain, I'm just tense. I mean, I'm even tense just sitting here, and it's awful. I'm definitely in pain, and it sucks because people don't really get it, because you might not look like you're hurting. I would do a really good job at trying to hide it. This past weekend, I was literally in so much pain. Essentially, I was sobbing at work. I don't know if I've ever told you guys, but I am a server. I'm a waitress. So, and I'm definitely looking for a career change, because I can't do this anymore. I physically and emotionally, I can't. But I literally worked 2 doubles back to back this past weekend, and those are 2 16-hour days. I don't know if you guys, if you're a waitress, let me know down below, because you understand. But I worked 2 16-hour days, or even if you've worked 16-hour days back to back, you get it. You get it. And I just broke down Friday. Can do it. And sometimes it's hard, because I feel like you get judged because you look normal, and no one understands really what your pain is. No one's gonna understand what you're going through, because it's how you feel. So I've just been in a really weird headspace the last 6 months, because this literally has been over the last 6 months. I've just it's gotten worse down there. My pelvic floor is so messed up, and I'm on the road to fix it, but it's also a really expensive, lengthy road. And I literally would go from physical therapy to the house to work on the house. Then on my off days, I would do that. And then on my work days, I would go to physical therapy, go straight to work, not really helping my body. And then I would literally, if I got off early enough, I would go and meet Mark at the house to go fix up the house. So that has been my life for the last 3 months that I've just been gone. This is what I've been going through. It's been great. But you just get caught up like living life, and like I just lose my passion for things, and I just haven't been writing. I haven't been working on this aspect of my life. Like, I want to do YouTube, and I think that I just have a really huge passion for makeup and like just talking in general. Any of my friends will ask you, like, I enjoy talking to people about makeup and about skincare, and like it just makes me excited, and I think YouTube is the best platform for me, just because I can actually like show you my personality and like get it out there. But it's just been a really hard road. I'm a huge perfectionist, so for me, I wanted to have a fancy background and like fancy lighting and all of the things, and I just can't afford to buy lighting and backdrops and like all of that stuff. So yeah, I just had to realize that I have to work with what I got, and you know, people will follow or they won't. So I'm very grateful that, like, look at that. Ooh. I'm just grateful that I really found something that I enjoy. I know that I have to be in a field that is creative. That's also something else I've been dealing with the last 3 months. I just haven't known what I want to do with my life. I'm 25. I just turned 25 years old, and I literally feel like I'm going through a midlife crisis, and I don't know what to do, you know, like, it's so hard. Like, life is so hard, y'all. So if you've been watched this far, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for following me on here. Thank you for following me on social media. I will leave them here. It's just been a really, really hard battle for me, because in order to, you know, I uploaded, I think the first time I ever came back, or the second time I came back or whatever, I was like, you know, I can't keep spending money and like like I have to use what I have. But in reality, if you want this to be a career, if you want this to be a job, you have to know what's new on the market. Like, that is the point of this platform, you know? Like, granted, I am going to be using my products that I have, because I have a ton of new products, and I want to do a whole video on what's new for me, because I understand if it's not new for everybody, but they're still new for me. Hopefully these don't look too janky. I think they look okay, but I'm also, we're gonna just carve them out. So I normally don't do this like on everyday makeup, but I've also learned that this is really hard to do. Like, how do YouTubers do this? This is hard. I can't talk and do my makeup at the same time. What is happening? But yeah, so also this is the Anastasia Dip Brow. I've also just gotten back into like watching YouTube, which is great as well. Yeah, I just stopped watching YouTube too. Like, I got back into it with the whole like Jaclyn Hill lipstick situation. Hold on, let me blend this out to the gods. But yeah, I got into it because of the whole Jaclyn situation. I'm not gonna give y'all my full thoughts because I definitely have them. I have the one Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. and I've not bought anything since. And that is where I will leave it at that, because your girl, no. Wow. Yeah, I literally only want to buy things for the house. It's so hard to just justify. I was gonna buy the Lippy Sticks box, the big box of the 48 Lippy Sticks from ColourPop, $150. I was gonna buy it because I had like a 15% off like first time purchase like coupon, and I just couldn't justify it. I just couldn't, because I wanted to so bad. Yeah, I wanted to so bad, I just couldn't, I really couldn't justify it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like this taupey brown all over my lid, because I've just been feeling like the one eye color looks. I think they're so pretty. I like the whole house, you know, situation. I don't think that we've ever been so tense, and that's just mainly because it's a lot of money. I just don't understand. In the city of Nashville, houses are so expensive, and granted, we bought somewhere else where houses were like decently priced, actually. This is also the Thick and Fast Collagen Coat Mascara from Soap and Glory, I believe. Of course, I'm gonna link everything down below. I will link everything down below, obviously, if I can find a link for it. Most of those links will probably be affiliate links. This color is so pretty. It's the shade Verona, and it's an Ofra lipstick. I'm like really digging this look. It's mauve-y, it's very simple, but it's also, I just can't do makeup that doesn't look like you're wearing makeup. I'm not that kind of girl. I mean, you guys saw, like, I did literally everything to my face, and that's just what I enjoy. Like, I enjoy a full face of makeup. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, but I really do hope you guys like this rambling video. There was a lot of rambling, which I apologize for, but my life is a little bit of a ramble. It's a little bit of a ramble. I also have to get used to talking to the camera again. I don't think people realize, like, it is so hard. Like, I love talking to people, but I'm talking to myself essentially in a room. So bear with me. I've got to learn a lot. I have to learn a lot still. I'm definitely going to be focusing on YouTube and Instagram. So yeah, and obviously Twitter. I love Twitter. I love the Twitter community. So yeah, I'll be on there too. So I'll leave that over here for you guys. I will obviously leave everything that I used in the description box down below. I will link them for you all. And yeah, so if you guys love this video, definitely hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys want to follow along with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.